Recording.
Go.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I've got a little different video for you here today. I do have an unboxing. We're going to get to that unboxing in just a second. And first, a word from my favorite sponsor, my best sponsor, the sponsor that gives me everything. It's Jesus, Jesus. In Matthew 27:46, while Jesus is hanging on the cross, he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? We had to cut that because I didn't have it all written down. I forgot it. My God, and I didn't have to look at it, though. It just took me a second to remember, right? You have to verify.
Yeah.
Okay. My God, why have you forsaken me? In that moment on the cross, God turned his back on Jesus. He turned his back on Jesus so that we can have Jesus's righteousness, and God will never turn his back on us. Hebrews 13:5, it says, God will never leave us or forsake us. And it was because he forsook, Jesus took the forsaking all on himself there on the cross for us. So thanks a lot for that. What's it called? Sponsor.
Oh.
All right. Josiah Holbrook. Josiah. And Peyton is going to be upset with me maybe when I say this, but I'm going to do it.
Really?
Just wait. Josiah said, because he's watched other YouTube videos, that I should eat something really spicy and then do a review on a shoe. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to do that. I've got to bomb. This is what gets everybody. I've eaten not that much, but I have eaten quite a bit of this stuff, and it's hot. I'm not like scared of hot stuff. I don't especially like really, really hot stuff, but we're going to do it, and then we're going to review this shoe, and it goes with this shoe too. But Josiah suggested that I should do this, and I was like, yeah, it's kind of lame. People are going to call me out because it's already been done, but pretty much everything on YouTube has already been done by somebody else.
Yeah.
Like everything. So Josiah, if this video gets 2,000 views in the next 2 weeks or so, this is for you, because he gave me the suggestion. Hey, he made the suggestion. All right, 2,000 views in the next 2 weeks. After this thing airs, I'll air this thing soon. Josiah, you just told me about this, I think Friday night at Thunder Zone. I think that was when he told me. So, but I'm not sure when the video will come out, but I've held on to those shoes for like a year for you already. So I'm going to do more than they do on the last dab, because we got to really get going with this. I've got nothing to drink.
Oh my gosh.
You've had this, right?
No, I'm not going to try it.
You never tasted it?
Nope.
See the up close. It's the real thing. There's nothing else in here. It's just a bomb. That is a lot. I'm gonna get the hiccups. All right, it's fine. It's fine. This is what he said to do. Now, let's get rid of it just a little bit. Okay. I got rid of like a third of it.
A third.
All right, here we go.
See that?
I've got a wet towel and a dry towel so that I don't get any of this on the shoe.
Oh God.
Mm-hmm.
Hot?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Lift all the meat on the wing. Gotta get that. Lift all the meat on the wing.
Finish this. Let's burn him. Here we go. I need to get this down because I don't want to be talking with my mouth full. Hiccups. Okay. Oh. Right. This came off the shelf in Hibbett. I was walking around the mall with Haley on Friday after school. I'm drink is burning so bad. I'm sweating. After school, before work, walking around the mall, went into Hibbett. They had these on the shelf, and man, these things blew up when they came out. Blew up, and I don't know. Oh my God, blew up like the bomb. You get it?
Yeah.
Like everybody thought it was fire, like hot sauce, and I don't get it. Oh, I hate you, Josiah. Everybody just jumped all over these, and I just don't get it because they're not that good. But I got them because I wanted to make this video, and then Josiah said, "Eat the hot sauce," so I just ate the hot sauce. All right. Oh, dude. Air Jordan 1 Low. No SE. This is an SE, and it has some decent material on it. This is a OG, and it has really nice material. Y'all hate this shoe. Everybody hates this shoe, but man, it's the best material on any Jordan 1 last year in 2021. I think that was Swoosh Me one. All right, Air Jordan 1 Low. Gem red, white, black. This is the BRED. This is the BRED toe Jordan 1 Low. I finally was able to get a pair. I missed out on these on the Nike app, and I was finally able to get a pair. And yeah, it's got a nice Chicago colorway. BRED, whatever you want to call it. It's not blocked like either of those. It's black, red, and white. So it's Chicago colors. It's OG colors, but man, it's all plastic. Like, I guess this is real leather, just has, you know, a whole bunch of finish on the outside of the leather. Your edges are rolled, not cut, which I just don't like seeing. I just like seeing my leather. I mean, it's good. It's okay. I actually had a pair of these, baby.
Wow.
I did. I just realized this when I took it back out. I had a pair of these in 2002. I was a freshman in college, and I had a 2001 Honda CBR 600 F4. It was yellow and black, and it was like a really deep, strong, vibrant yellow that was almost like orange. If you Google that year, you'll be able to see that color. 2001 CBR 600 F4. It was the last year before they fuel injected them. And I had these, and I remember though, if I felt weird wearing these with my yellow bike, my yellow motorcycle, yellow and black motorcycle with red shoes. It didn't really go, but man, I was wearing them. I was leaving Kennesaw State University one morning, going back home. This dude stopped beside me. He's like, "Man, I like those shoes." Yeah, me too. But I do like them. I would wear them. This is a size 11.5. I wasn't able to get my size. But I think that the heat on these shoes is gonna cool off, just like my mouth is right now. Oh God. You gonna try some?
No.
You gonna make one of these videos?
Yeah.
Like, so you're gonna try it?
No. I don't know, maybe.
So I do like them, but I just don't see what all the fuss is about. Like, it's not even, there's nothing good about these. It's like, and I think there was some fuss about these also, maybe a little bit, because it's just the same color blocking, but blue. Those were all suede. I think those are going for like $400 now. I mean, obviously not in that condition, but what do you think about it?
It's alright.
Yeah. I mean, Peyton has no ties to Michael Jordan or Chicago Bulls, so she doesn't care about the Chicago colorways. You would wear a Jordan 1 Low though, right?
I don't know, maybe.
I mean, would you wear either of those or that? Or the Travis Scotts?
Yeah.
You would. You're not totally against it, but the colorway, I mean, for me, just doesn't do it. I'm not that huge of a fan of
It looks like
Chicago. You see, the only red shoe that I have up here is the Patent Bread, and I don't even really like that one that much.
they remind me of the patent breads, but just like without the plastic and with the shiny stuff.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, they're very similar.
Yeah.
So I don't know what all the hype is about. Finally cooling off. My mouth's still burning. It's just tolerable at this moment. But let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Is it worth all of the hype? Is it worth the hype? I'll tell you that the bomb, when everybody hits this on Hot Ones, it's for real. And I've had the other, the Last Dab and those, and they don't compare to this. This is like the one that gets you, and it doesn't even taste good. It's not terrible, but it doesn't taste good. But is the hype rightly justified around these? Like, I think these go for like $200. I think I paid $100 for it. This does have, look at this crazy stuff. So it's got the MSRP sticker. It's just blank. You see it? This is where the MSRP is supposed to be. It says US dollars, nothing. Like, there's just nothing there. See it?
Yep.
So we just did this video. I don't know if you're going to see this video before or after, but it doesn't have an MSRP sticker. This has the MSRP piece, but there's nothing on it. That's really weird. So we talked about it for just briefly at the end of the last video, the last video that I just recorded, this shoe, that Jordan is going up in prices and a lot of stuff, like the 6 UNCs that just came out are 210, I think, instead of 200. I don't know. But everything is going to be a little bit more expensive, like $10 more expensive than it used to be, or should be. And they're just taking the tags off through this transition. They're not putting an MSRP on there, probably because they probably made this decision months ago, or a year ago, to do that. because they knew that there were supply chain issues. They didn't know when they were actually going to be releasing shoes, so they didn't know how much they would actually be charging for them once they released, because some of the more recent ones that have had MSRPs sold for the old price, which probably means they meant to sell them last year before they hiked the prices, and instead they're selling them this year after they meant to hike it, but they couldn't do that because their stickers on it. But Josiah, thanks for the idea. I'm not going to say I enjoyed that, but might make for some good content. Y'all let me know. Smash the like button if you want to see more of these. If you want to see me get more to bomb, I can eat more than that. But
you poured like a third of it off.
I know I could do more. I haven't eaten that much at once in a long time. So let me know what you think about this new format, if this is any good for you. I mean, this is a not hyped shoe, or not as hyped shoe. It's not hyped like a Patent BRED or a Cool Gray, or Travis Scott, or a lot of that stuff back there, because it is just a Jordan 1 low. But if you want to see, or so I didn't have a whole lot of a lot of information or anything that I really wanted to talk about this shoe. So why not just incorporate it with some hot sauce, right? But if you want to see more, let me know. Smash the like button, comment down below. Tell your grandma maybe she likes some spicy food, or maybe she just likes laughing at people making idiots of themselves on YouTube eating hot food. I don't think I'm going to get anybody else's reaction to this, because I don't really care about it myself that much. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Juice.